Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a beautiful baked mango pie using fresh, juicy mango slices. No puree, no shortcuts, just from the real McCoy mangoes. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to store it for long-term enjoyment. Here's what you'll need. 3 to 4 ripe mangoes peeled and sliced, 1 pie dough, homemade or store-bought, 1/4 cup sugar, adjust to sweetness of mango, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half a teaspoon cinnamon, optional, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon butter, cut into small pieces, and 1 egg, for egg wash, optional. Start by slicing your mangoes. We want them about 1/4 inch thick so they bake evenly, but keep their shape. Add sugar, cornstarch, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon if you like. Toss everything gently to coat the slices evenly. Roll out your pie dough and place it in a pie dish. Trim the edges and crimp if you like it fancy. Now, layer those gorgeous mango slices inside the crust like shingles on a roof. Don't just dump them in. This makes your pie extra pretty and ensures even baking. Dot the top with butter and brush the crust with a little egg wash for that golden glow. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until the mangoes are soft and the crust is golden brown. After baking, cool the pie and serve it in plates. Voila, enjoy your mango baked pie. Here's how to keep your mango pie fresh. Room temperature safe for 1 day covered. In the fridge, store slices in airtight containers. Stays good for up to 5 days. In the freezer, wrap slices tightly in plastic wrap and foil, or place them in freezer-safe bags. They'll last up to 3 months. Alternatively, you can store the ready-to-bake assembled pie without using egg to deep freezer until needed. To serve, thaw overnight in the fridge and warm slightly in the oven or microwave. Crispy crust, juicy mango, it's the perfect combo of tropical and cozy. If you try this recipe, tag me or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious bakes.